This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa.reid. Needs TLC in Coventry. Come live the good life in a desirable community featuring a clubhouse, pools, lakes, playgrounds, walking/jogging trails, tennis/pickleball/volleyball courts, soccer field, and picnic pavilions with gas grills. Not only is this transitional home in the York County School District, it also has plenty of spaces for living, lounging, working, and entertaining. Nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac, it needs nurturing. Come love it today. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa.reid at 757-969-7897.